Seeing arrows in dream. Arrow in a dream, arrows mean messages, a messenger, writings, victory over one's enemy. If a woman sees her husband's arrows in their quiver in a dream, it means that her husband has turned away from her. Arrows in a dream also are an indicator or a guide. Seeing an arrow outside its quiver means failure to perform one's duty or inability to deliver one's message. Shooting arrows in a dream means writing letters. If one shoots an arrow but fails to hit his target in the dream, it means that he will send a messenger to do something and his messenger will fail to deliver. If one sees a woman shooting him with an arrow in a dream, it means that she is showing kindness toward him, and consequently he may fall in love with her, or he may marry her. If one shoots an arrow and hits his target in a dream, it means that he will reach his goal, or if he wishes to have a child, it means that he will bear a son. An arrow in a dream also represents a messenger, prophets, a son, longevity or new clothing. If the arrows are made from reeds in one's dream, they mean falsehood and prattle. If they have arrowheads in the dream, then they represent a talkative person who, if he hits his target, it means that he does what he says. If the arrowhead breaks in the dream, it means that he speaks only to protect himself from others' arrows. If the arrow is made from gold in the dream, it means that he is sending a message to a woman because of another woman. The arrowhead in a dream represents strength, power or disturbance. The arrows themselves in a dream also mean the fear of an emissary for his life. Throwing arrows in a dream means backbiting others and slandering them.